In this video, we will review how to do a conclusion paragraph draft for your conditional essay. The work is due on Thursday, April 23rd, and you start starting out by watching this video. First of all, take a look at my example paragraph. How did I find it? All right, well, I went back to the link from yesterday that took us to Google Classroom, where we had to write the introduction paragraph. So you're going to go back and click on the one that says digital intro and conclusion paragraph. And if you click on that, you'll find your introduction paragraph that you did yesterday. Maybe I already checked it and typed some things to you, maybe not. Either way, you can still work on it. So here's mine. Just scroll down to page 2. Okay. Again, you can put your name on it and you can put the date. And you can highlight the prompt you chose again. So I picked $1 million. The reason I want these on the same page is because I want to be able to look at your introduction and conclusion at the same time. What I'm checking for is, do you have the same idea in your thesis up here? So I said if I had $1 million, but I could not spend it on myself, I would donate it to Kennedy High School. I need to say the same thing here, but I can't write the exact same sentence. I need to use a little bit different words. I also need a conclusion transition. So I started with, in conclusion, comma, I would help Kennedy High School if I had $1 million extra. Same idea as up here, but I just changed the words a little. An easy way for you to change it is just flip it. If you started with the word if, this time start with the word I. I would something, something, something if I had something, something. The second one are my 3 main ideas or reasons again. So I need to go up here and see what was the order I used. The first, second, and third items should match my pre-writing. So I said more teachers for number 1, better food for number 2, and a fund to help for number 3. So I need to say those same ideas in the same order, but not the exact same sentence. Teachers, food, helping students. I said hiring more teachers, getting better food, and setting up a special fund would be the way I would spend my money. So one easy way you can change the words a little bit, up here you probably started out with the word I, and on your conclusion you can just start with your first body paragraph idea. And then you need a goodbye statement. This is always a little tricky for students to figure out, but it doesn't have to be anything special. Just try to think of something to say about the idea in general. So I said, I think the world would be a better place if everyone shared their money a little more. That's it, I'm done. So I'm just going to read it all together and make sure it makes sense. In conclusion, I would help Kennedy High School if I had $1 million extra. Hiring more teachers, getting better food, and setting up a special fund would be the way I would spend my money. I think the world would be a better place if everyone shared their money a little more. When you finish, go back to Google Classroom and make sure that you turn it in so that I know you're done with it. And I will check it and give you any feedback if necessary and give you the points. That's it for today, but you can keep working on your grammar practice final exam also. All right, thank you.